Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we are making a house favorite, the Puliyodharai. The tamarind rice is the king of variety rices. The Puliyodharai travels so well and it's a picnic favorite at most homes. It is also a prized prasadam in the temples of South India. Here is how to make a delicious temple-style Puliyodharai at home. First, we will be making a Puliyodharai spice powder. We will be dry roasting the ingredients one by one separately. Dry roast the coriander seeds on a medium flame till the seed slightly changes in color and one or two seeds crackle. Once the coriander seeds are golden, remove to a plate and set aside to cool. Dry roast the white sesame seeds on medium flame till the seed slightly changes in color and becomes light brown. Sesame seeds will start to pop from the pan. Remove to a plate and set aside to cool. To the pan, add in some fenugreek seeds. Add in the black pepper and the dry red chilies. Dry roast these on a medium flame till the fenugreek seeds turn golden and one or two seeds crackle. Once the fenugreek seeds is golden, remove to a plate and set aside to cool. Once the spices are cool, add it to a small heavy-duty mixie jar or a spice grinder. Grind it to a powder. Our masala powder for Puliyodharai is now ready. Set aside. Soak a big lemon-sized tamarind in 2 cups of hot water for 15 minutes. If using cold water, you might have to soak a little longer. After the soaking time, squeeze the tamarind to extract the pulp. Discard the seeds and the pith. For a smooth tamarind pulp, strain the pulp. Our tamarind pulp is now ready. Set aside. Now let's make the Pulikaachal or the tamarind masala paste. Heat some Indian-style sesame oil in a pan until hot. Sesame oil is the traditional oil used for the preparation of Puliyodharai. Do not use any other oil. The flavor of sesame oil is very important for Puliyodharai. Once the oil is hot, add in the mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds crackle. Add in the chana dal and some dry red chilies. Roast these on a low flame till the chana dal is golden. Now add in our prepared tamarind pulp. Mix everything well to combine. Now add in some asafoetida, turmeric powder and some curry leaves. Mix everything well. At this stage, add in the roasted peanuts. I like to roast the peanuts in an air fryer. Here is how I do it. Spread the peanuts on a baking tray and roast them at 150 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 6 minutes. Depending on the air fryer, it may take a couple of minutes more or less. If you don't have an air fryer, you can also dry roast the peanuts on a pan until golden and use in the recipe. Now add in the salt and some jaggery. Jaggery balances the sourness of the tamarind. Jaggery is very important for Puliyodharai, so do not skip it. Cover the pan with the lid and simmer the tamarind mixture on a low flame for about 20 minutes. Saute once in a while to avoid the mixture from burning at the bottom. After 20 minutes, the mixture would have reduced and thickened and the sesame oil would have separated and can be seen on the sides of the pan. Our tamarind mixture is now ready. Switch off the flame and add in the ground spice powder. Mix everything well to combine. Our tamarind paste mix, our delicious Pulikaachal, is now ready. Let the mixture completely cool down. Bottle it in a glass jar and store it and use it as required. The Pulikaachal paste can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a month. I cooked a cup of rice in 2 cups of water for 2 whistles in a pressure cooker. Add about half of the Pulikaachal and mix well to combine. Hands are the best spatula made by God for making Puliyodharai. Mix everything well with your fingers. Adjust the seasoning if necessary. At this stage, add in little sesame oil to the Puliyodharai. Mix everything well to combine. Our Puliyodharai is now ready. Enjoy. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's me Suguna signing off, and happy cooking. Bye bye.